DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn how to backup and restore all of your DOS Trader Pro settings, including all of your custom-made desktop files, all of your hotkey files, your configuration files, and all of your chart settings. Open up your DOS Trader Pro, and we are going to do that right now. So once DOS is open, select Tools. Simply click on Backup Settings. Once you click Backup Settings, you will see your backups have been successfully saved to your desktop. Select OK. So find that file on your desktop. Open it up, and you can see we have our desktop files, which is the .dsk. We have our .cst file, which is our chart settings files. We have our config file, .cfg, and then more .dsk files, and we have a .htk, which is our hotkey file. So all of your settings in DOS, all of your hotkeys, all of your desktops are now saved in this desktop file right here in this zip folder. So what you should do is, in case your computer crashes also, you might want to email this file, to yourself so you have access for it in case you lose access to your hard drive. So now open up DOS Trader Pro again. Okay, now to very simply restore the settings from that zip folder, simply select Tools, Restore Settings. This will restore configuration information from the backup file. So if you hit OK, everything right now, any little changes you might have made from when you save the settings until now will be lost. So this is a backup in case you lose everything. So if I hit OK, all of the settings, all of the desktop files, all of the hotkeys will revert back to whatever was in that folder. So be very careful. This is a very important thing to know how to utilize, but also you could delete newer things in the process if you haven't saved it recently. So continually back up your DOS Trader Pro software as you make changes in your settings, you make more desktop files and hotkeys. So I'm going to click cancel, but you would click OK in that scenario. So again, remember, email that zip folder to yourself to have access to it. And here's a quick tip. We can share desktops, we can share settings, we can share hotkey files with other traders by simply going into that folder, selecting one of the files, and you can email that to someone else and they can now utilize it and you can share it with other traders. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this, comment in the YouTube section, post some questions to our forum page, or ask us in the Bear Bull Trader chat room. Thanks everyone, have a great day.